Every facility moves materials. The missing factor? A continuous, reliable system that optimizes every move. At Jtec Industries, we don't just build carts. We engineer movement. We're a hands-on, consultative team that works alongside you to optimize safety and efficiency. We offer standard and custom cart solutions, from all mechanical systems to hands-free, fully autonomous transfer systems. These systems eliminate the need for forklifts and transform the way your materials move. Jtec is an American-made, vertically integrated manufacturer. It is our mission to increase safety and provide consistent quality and long-term performance. CarryMore is Jtec's iconic all-mechanical mother-daughter cart system. Mechanically lifting daughter carts off the ground, mother carts can make tight turns and make precise deliveries right to the production line, all without forklifts. Our autonomous transfer systems deliver with precise, hands-free movement from pickup to drop-off. Modular options and expert support ensure a seamless flow of materials that arrive on time, every time. Our products are designed to meet a variety of needs and applications. If it can be more efficient, we can make it happen. To learn more, visit our website, jtecindustries.com, and reach out today.